What's up, y'all? I want to do a review on the Apple HomePod Mini. I'm going to first start off with the most important part, the sound quality. The sound is really good. This thing gets loud, it's crisp and clear, the bass gets deep. It's really good if you want to watch movies on your iPad or your iPhone, or shoot, if you got a MacBook Air, it's great for that. Now, if you got a MacBook Pro, that MacBook Pro speaker kind of matches this, plus it's more of a surround sound thing going on with the MacBook Pro, unless you have two HomePod minis, and I really want to know what two sound like. Now, I'm saying that I don't have two, but one sounds so good I can't imagine what two sound like. Next, let's talk about features. You can use the speaker by tapping the screen, or you can say, "Hey Siri." The microphone is really good. I literally talk to the speaker from the other room and somehow Siri picks it up. There's also a plus and minus volume control on the speaker. Half the time I can't see that. So a lot of times when I want to use the volume, I use the control center in my phone. If you listen to music on your phone, you can hover your phone over the speaker to transfer the audio from your phone to the speaker, and that's a really nice feature that I like a lot. This bad boy also has an intercom option, so if you want to yell at the kids with some bass in your voice, you can do that when you're home or away. You can get on the intercom and yell at your kids. The HomePod Mini links up with your HomeKit, so it's really good if you have a strong Apple ecosystem. I use this thing for alarm clocks, I use it for weather, I use it for reminders. Hey Siri, remind me to take my monthly shower on the 15th.
Okay, I had to take my monthly shower for August 15th, 2024.
Kids use it for music. My little one likes to listen to Bible stories on it. This thing has so many uses. Also, it'll tell you your room temperature and your room humidity levels. And I thought that was really crazy that it did that. It took me a while to even catch on that the speaker even did that. Lastly, let's talk about connectivity. Your phone has to be on Wi-Fi to use this speaker. It doesn't have a built-in battery either, so it has to be plugged into a power outlet for you to use the speaker as well. I was hoping you would be able to just plug it into like an iPad or something. That would be so dope. Or plug it into your iPhone and use it that way, but that's not an option. So I'm hoping Apple comes up with something where you can carry it with you. But hey, it's called a HomePod for a reason. Meaning you got to use that at home. Because once you leave the house, other than using it for the intercom system or something like that, you can't do much with it. But that's all I got, y'all. Just want to do a quick video about the HomePod Mini, and I'm out.